Oh my god, step number 2 when you are applying for a YouTube partner program or to join a YouTube partner program or to become a YouTube partner. Now step number 2 for setting up AdSense for YouTube. I got this error. Oops. So if you have received this error, I'm gonna show you how to correct this and fix this. I've received an email on this channel. We are just applied yesterday and we have received this kind of email. Let me show it to you. The last email I've received from YouTube team and Google. So when you go to here from YouTube, let me show this one from YouTube. You can see action required. An active AdSense account is needed to monetize on YouTube. So you're gonna see this high. You may have received the recent email from AdSense account status. Without an active AdSense account, you cannot monetize on YouTube. Actually, YouTube, they're trying to tell us what could have caused this kind of error here in step 2. That's what they're trying to explain here. You can see common issues include, these are issues: duplicate account, okay, so you can only have one AdSense account, okay. If you are found to have a duplicate account, you will have to decide whether to use an existing account to monetize your channel or to cancel it, okay. So there are different ways you can do. Another issue which can be cause this is website issue, okay. To monetize YouTube, you will need to complete AdSense sign up directly from YouTube Studio, okay. Please do not create your new account from the AdSense website using URL unless you intend to monetize that site. This is YouTube trying to warn you, okay. So be careful, okay. So YouTube team, so this message is from YouTube team trying to tell you what could have caused this kind of error, okay. And it's very common. You are not alone if you find this error. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to fix that, okay. It is here email from already you have an existing account. You're gonna see it here on already have existing account. This is from this is from Google AdSense team, okay. So if you have received the emails like this, I'm not going into details, you can see them on your screen because I don't want to make this video too long. What you're gonna do is to actually work on this and fix the problem. So let me move super fast to the YouTube channel. You're just gonna go here, or need to go, it's super simple. You just go here and let me just go right here. We are on the YouTube channel, so just go on this top right corner on your icon of your channel. Then we are getting into our YouTube studio. Just go to YouTube studio. Alright, here we are in the YouTube studio. Then I'm gonna go we are in dashboard. Then I'm gonna go down here. Then I'm gonna go to an button or tab here with $sign. Here we are in an actually step 2. You can see step 1 has been completed with any problem. Then this is where the trouble or problems are coming in or coming up. So how to fix this so that the third step it can start automatically. So now let's work on this because we can't get monetized unless we have set up well with our AdSense for YouTube, okay. So all you need to do is very simple, because yesterday if you checked the video I made when I started this application process, we stopped here when it was showing in progress, but now here error came in after some hours, like 6 or 7 hours. And you can see what we're gonna do is actually I'm gonna go ahead and delete the account that I've used to actually to create this AdSense or to set it up. Then after deleting it or removing it, then you're gonna need another Gmail account, okay. You're gonna create a Gmail account if you don't have, but if you have a separate Gmail account, then I'm gonna show you how to do that. Then if you have already a Gmail account, we're just gonna use another Gmail account, because you can't use the one you used yesterday when you were trying to set up AdSense, okay. That means you need another Gmail account, not the one you have already used, because the one you have used there is this error, and to fix that we need another Gmail account, okay. So let me show first to remove the Gmail account we have used recently, or to remove them. So all you need to do is to fix in AdSense for YouTube. I've seen different videos, people doing different ways. So I'm gonna tap here on fix in AdSense for YouTube. I'm gonna tap there like so. Then it's gonna take me to our AdSense, Google AdSense. You're gonna see this, your account wasn't approved. You need to fix some issues before you can use AdSense for YouTube. Okay, I'm seeing here you already have an account. Use that account to access AdSense, or close your other accounts and click resubmit. Okay, so what I wish I can first close your other accounts. I can first close them, then I confirm, or I can confirm here directly. So I'm gonna first try to choose this, close your other accounts. Here they are showing activate your account, your AdSense account wasn't approved. You see what they are showing here. They are trying to guide us. Okay, sometimes you find to fix some issues before you fix. Sometimes you need to fix some issues before you can use AdSense. Find out why your AdSense account wasn't approved. Either also I've tried to make research and I've checked that. So that's what they are trying to show us. So for whatever reasons they're gonna explain to you and try to guide you. You can go ahead and read that and make more research if you need to. But I'm gonna go back here. We're gonna check this where here they are saying I confirm I have closed my duplicate accounts. Then what you need to do is to resubmit. Okay, make sure you have checked here, and then you tap on resubmit like so. So you're gonna see this getting your AdSense for YouTube ready. You're gonna see we are reviewing your info. You can check account status in YouTube Studio. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna refresh, submit it. So you're gonna go to this three dots here, then you're gonna see AdSense for YouTube, and make sure it is the one chosen or selected. Then you're gonna go all the way relevant payments, then you're gonna go to account like so. Then you're gonna go to settings, then under settings you're gonna go to info, account info. You can see product active, account status open. So I'm gonna tap on the close account like so. And here we are, closing the account. Things to know before closing account. You can go ahead and read getting paid. Just go ahead and check this AdSense for YouTube. Just go ahead and close it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close my account. Thanks for using AdSense for YouTube. You've successfully closed your account. So now the account has been successfully closed. Then since it has been closed, then I'm gonna go ahead and actually go back to our YouTube Studio here. Don't do anything here. Don't do what. So we have removed the account we have used. I used yesterday, or the email. So then I'm gonna go ahead and tap here, change association to have. That is where you're gonna need actually another Gmail account, so that you're gonna use it to create or set up AdSense for YouTube. So I'm gonna tap on change association like so. Here we are. So I'm gonna tap next. Okay, so I'm gonna tap the first one and then tap next. You will be redirected to AdSense for YouTube to complete this step. So when you tap on this drop down, you're gonna see this free option as usual. Yes, I have an existing AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account. Option 2. Second option is no, I don't have an existing account. The third option is I don't know. I'm gonna choose this second option. No, I don't have an existing account, because we have already deleted the one we previously used yesterday. Okay, this second option, make sure it's the one you choose. Okay, unless you have existing one. If you have it, then you can go ahead and choose the first option, but I'm gonna choose this second option, no, I don't have an existing account. Okay, like so. Then you're gonna tap on continue. So on this kind of page popping up, choose an account. Make sure you don't use the email you already used yesterday when you were applying, when you started the application process, because when you repeat it, it's not gonna help. Okay, so that means all you need to do is to have a new Gmail or another Gmail account, and if you don't have it, you can go ahead and go to Google and create a Gmail account. Once you create an email, it's gonna appear here, and if it doesn't appear, then you're gonna go ahead and say use another email account, but of course it has to be created, a Gmail account. Okay, so for me, I already have the email like I've showed you. Already I've copied it. If you want, you can use another email, but it's already here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on it. But even if I use here the email, it's gonna be okay. But I'm gonna tap on it because it's already appearing here. Okay. Okay. So here we are. Let's get you started. This is just your channel URL. Okay, it's gonna be there when you have passed through YouTube Studio. Okay, so make sure you choose the country where you're living now. Okay, otherwise you're gonna face some problems with getting PIN and putting the ID, whatever. So make sure you choose the country where you're living. So I'm gonna tap here. Okay, I'm gonna tap here under country or territory. Then I'm gonna look for the country I'm living in. I got it here, like so. Then it's gonna generate this. You're gonna see AdSense for YouTube terms and conditions. Just scroll down here. Make sure you have chosen the country you're living in it, like so. So go ahead and also read them. Then after reading them, then go ahead and tap I have read and accept the agreement. Okay. So then you're gonna tap set up account. Okay, like so. Account type, so make sure here you under individual, it's under individual. But if you have organization or company, so if all you are working with, when you are many people, then you're gonna tap on this drop down, then you're gonna choose organization. But since it's personal, I am just opening it for my use. I'm choosing individual, and choose also individual unless you have a company. Here you can see after using another Gmail account, now the step 2 is in progress, and we're gonna wait for a while. And you can see here get reviewed, it's not started unless this step 2 is completed. Then this one is gonna be next automatically. So this is what you need, and let's wait. Hopefully this process is gonna be so done, and if this sign up for AdSense for YouTube, if it works, then we'll be good to go. Hopefully it's gonna work. Let's wait, and I'll be back after this process is complete. Alright, here we are. This is after one day when I started application process to become a YouTube partner. So we are in the channel here. I'm gonna tap here. Let's get into our YouTube studio. Just go to YouTube studio like so. Okay, let's check if the step 2 has been completed also. Alright, so you can see we are in our YouTube studio or dashboard. Then I'm gonna scroll down here and look for here and tab or button. Gonna tap on it. Oops, you're gonna see step 2 error. Okay, and I've been making research. Actually they have replied or showed me this. So for just a few hours, we started applying yesterday. I'm just amending this video. Make sure if you need this channel, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Let's meet in the next video or next part when I'm working or fixing this error here.